Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaclyn, para los que no me conocen, and thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. As you guys can hear, I am sick Sally today, and you know, my nose is all clogged up, you know, lo moco y la vaina. So my voice has changed a little bit. And I was pretty much sleeping all morning, and yesterday I've been in bed for like the past 2 days. Pero hoy es el 31, you know, Año Nuevo, New Year Eve, and New Year's Eve, and I am so excited. I couldn't let the year go without having a New Year's Eve look, so I am doing this video today, editing today, putting it up today, so please pray for me. I pretty much did my face because I didn't have the time really. Like I said, I'm really sick, so I'm just pretty much gonna be focusing on my eyes. Before we start this makeup today, I just really wanted to thank you guys so much for everything that you guys have done for me in 2017. Ustedes han sido literally the best thing ever, lo mejor del mundo, por todo el support that you guys give me, the likes, the shares, everything that you guys have done for me is amazing. And for me to know que yo puedo inspire one person in my life, it means the world to me. And for you guys to let me know that you guys like the content that I create or anything that I do on social media, it's amazing, and I really love you guys, and I just really want to thank you before this year ends, and how grateful I am. In 2018, mi amor, we are going to kill it, okay? I have so many things in my head that I want to do next year. This year was kind of like finding myself on social media, and I think I've got it down. I feel so comfortable talking to you guys on camera now. If you see any of my old videos, I was very awkward, and you know, this year was amazing. Yeah, I learned so much about myself, and I'm just really happy that, you know, I get to do this because I love to do this really. So yeah, thank you guys so much. To start with, ya yo tengo como que el concealer en los ojos. I have the concealer on my eyes, so I'm going to start with this Jaclyn Hill palette. Let's open this baby up. Okay, so I'm going to take this color right over here, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. They don't have names, so you know, just this color right here all over my eyelids. Okay, so now that we have applied that color on our eyelids, I'm going to take this palette. It is from Ruby May Cosmetics. Y voy a tomar este color que está aquí, este morado, and I'm actually going to mix it with this color from the Jaclyn Hills palette, this color right over here. I'm going to mix those two colors y los voy a poner en el medio de mi ojo, on the creases of our eyes. I'm going to start very lightly because I don't want it to go like so dark. So I'm going to start very lightly and pretty much just like build it up and see how it looks. And I'm going to be taking this little brush from Morphe. This is an E17. Okay, ahora con ese moradito ahí in our creases, I'm going to continue, and I'm going to take a black shade. I am going to take this one from the Jaclyn Hills palette right over here, and I'm going to apply it on our lids. I'm going to leave the purpley kind of like on the outside, pero voy a empezar poniéndome en negro así como adentro del ojo y por fuera, leaving the middle empty because we're going to be putting like a glittery color later on. I'm going to take this color right over here, and apply it on that little emptiness that we left in la mitad del ojo. We're going to apply that color. I am going to spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus so it picks up the color más intenso. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and I am actually going to take off the baking, el powder que tengo debajo del ojo. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. move from this side. What I like to do is take a little bit of, miscellaneous water. Y voy a tomarme como this is un Q-tip. This is the things that I get like at Sephora for free. You know, you take a whole bunch. And I'm going to just dip it in a little bit. And I'm going to clean the side so that it's a little bit more of like a cut. Because right now it's kind of like messy at the side. So I'm just going to like clean it up a little bit. Okay, now that we clean up the edges of our eye, lo que voy a hacer ahorita es que me voy a poner un poquito de mascara. I'm going to apply some mascara on my lashes, and I'm going to apply some falsies, and I will be right back. Okay babes, and we're back with the lashes on, and I am now going to go ahead and put the colors on my bottom lashes. I am going to take the same two purpley colors that we mixed before, which is this one from the Jaclyn Hills palette, and then the purple color from the Ruby May. And then this one, I'm going to mix them up and apply them on my lower lash. Okay, so now I'm going to take a black liner. Voy a tomar un lápiz negro and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash. Abajo, el lugar acá, no sé cómo se llama, donde se tapan los ojos aquí un poquito. Right there at the bottom, I'm going to apply some black liner. Yo le dije que los ojos se aguaban. Okay, now with the black liners on our eyes, we are going to take some mascara y la vamos a aplicar on our bottom lashes. Okay, I think this makeup is looking out so good. I love it. I love like dark eyes. It looks so beautiful in that middle color in the lid. Fire! Now that our eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. I need some highlighters. I'm going to take this Mary Lou highlighter from The Balm Cosmetics. I love this highlighter so much. It's very, very beautiful. But first off, I'm going to go ahead and spray some Cover FX illuminating setting spray. I love this thing. You guys know, if you guys follow me here on YouTube, I've used it like a million times. I'm kind of obsessed with it lately. Now all we have left is some lipstick on. Solamente me falta ponernos un ojo labial. And I'm going to use first, I'm going to lip line my lips. I'm going to be using the Johnson Blue lip liner. This is in the color Brown Sugar. Okay, so for lipstick, I am going to be using this Kiko Milano Arctic from the Arctic Holiday Collection. This is number 1. It is a very beautiful like nude peachy color. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this in the middle of my lips. Okay, you guys, and this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like it. Este es el look que yo creé para Año Nuevo. Espero que les haya gustado. Once again, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching every single one of my videos and giving it a like. And if you guys like this makeup, don't forget to give it a like or a dislike. If you guys don't like it, that's fine. But don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave, and follow me on my social media right here if you guys like. And I will see you guys on my next video, which will be in 2018. Yeah. Bye, guys.